In this video, I am going to show you how to add a button to your Wix website and customize it according to your own choice. So let's see how we can do it. To do this, open your Wix website editor. Now to add a button to your Wix website, from the left menu just click on Add Elements button. After that, select button from here. And here we will see different types of buttons that we can add to our website. So we have themed buttons, text and icon buttons, and multiple other types of buttons that we can add to our website. So let's add a button to our website and customize it. If you want to make this button bigger, then hold it from the corner and make it bigger. Now if you want to change the text and icon, just click on change text and icon, and now from here you can change the text and icon. After that, if you want to change its link, just click on this link button. And here you have a lot of options that you can use for the link. Like you can link this button to a page, to a web address, to an email, phone number or lightbox. You can also change the layout of your button. Just click on layout and here you'll see different layouts for your button and you can choose them according to your own choice. So this is how you can add a buttons to your Wix website and customize them according to your own choice. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.